Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a stunning venture capital firm layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the venture capital firm layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. It looks really professional, and I bet you can use this for a lot of websites. And if you want to lay your hands on it, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you can find all of the layout packs that come with Divi for free, so you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs, or you can scroll down until you come across the venture capital firm layout pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack. And you can view the live demo by clicking on the blue button. And this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and discover all of these different layouts without actually installing them on your website first. So say, for instance, you want to use one of these layouts on your WordPress website. You can go back to your website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. So then you will get three options. You can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page, and we're going to browse through our layouts. And here we have all of our different layout packs again, so go ahead and scroll down until you come across the Venture Capital Firm Layout Pack. Click on it and select your layout of choice, and click on the green button that says use this layout. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content, and from that point on you can start modifying everything and make your page ready to go live. So of course you can modify all of the written content that comes with certain modules, but you can also play around with Divi's built-in options and efficiency features to make a lot of changes throughout your entire layout in just a few clicks. So say, for instance, you want to change the font that's being used. You can go to the title text settings, go to the title font over here, right click, click on find and replace, and you can replace this font within this page with another font of your choice. So let's just take Poppins for instance, and we'll also tick off the box that says replace all font values within every option type not limited to title font, to make sure that all of the modules and all of the text is covered. And then we'll click on replace. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to change throughout your entire layout, and you can basically do that for each and every design option you have for each and every design element. So go ahead and play around with this layout pack and create stunning web design with Divi. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.